Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important topic, factorial. So this is most important and basic but very simple topic, factorial. And factorial means factorial of any number n is the product of a number and all number less than of this number. It means n factorial is equal to n multiply with n minus 1 and n minus 2 and product n minus 3 up to 1. Okay, so this is the meaning of factorial. For example, the factorial of 6 is a number integer. So the non-negative integer, n should be non-negative integer. Okay, so the 6 factorial is, what is meant by 6 factorial? Means 6 multiply 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, number is 6, so from 6 to 1. Similarly, for any number you can also find this one. So what is the result is 6 multiply 5, 5 multiply 4, 3, 2 and 1, and then final result is 720. Okay, see this, 2, 3, 6, 24, 120 and then 720. And similarly next one is 5 factorial is 3, 2, 1. Okay, and this is equal to 120. So, and then one more thing is 1 factorial and 0 factorial. This one. So 1 factorial, this is equal to 1, and the 0 factorial. So student, remember this, 0 factorial is also 1. Okay, and this is the main factorial. Now next move to the question of exercise 7.1. So let's start exercise. So students, let's start the question. The question is 8 factorial divided by 7 factorial. So according to the definition, 8 factorial means 8 multiply 7 multiply 6 multiply 5 multiply 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, this one. And divided by 7 factorial. And what is meant by 7 factorial? 7 factorial means 7 multiply 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so students, in this question, see, 1 cancel 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7 and 7, and then final result is this one, 8. This is your final result. So this is the first method, and the second method is you can also solve this question in this way, 8 factorials. So 8 factorials mean 8 multiply 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial. So 7 factorial and the 7 factorial cancel with each other, and then final result is this, 8. So the result is same. So it means this is the shortcut method to find factorial question. You reduce the factorial into smaller any number. Okay, so similar to this one, 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial. According to this rule, 10 factorial means 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 multiply 7 denominator. So this will stop at the 7 factorial. Divided by 7 factorial. So 7 cancel with 7 factorial. Okay. And then final result is 10, 9 or 8. And then product 8 multiply 9 72 and then multiply 7, so it becomes, so we multiply 10 and then result is 720. This one. Okay. So this is the final result, 720. And the next one is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So how can we solve this? 6 factorial. Firstly, 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 factorial. And in the denominator, 3 factorial and 3 factorial. So 1 is the 3 factorial. And this first one is 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 and the other is such that. Similar as it is 3 factorial. So 3 factorial cancel with this one and remaining is 3 2s are 6 and this one 6. So 6 cancel with this and final result 5 and 4. 5 multiply 4 which is equal to 20. So I hope so you understand this one, and today's topic factorial and these 3 questions. So if you like this lecture, just please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.